What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. Back at it here with this next part in the tutorial. Today we are going to be making an object pickupable and throwable and kind of look at those settings a little bit. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and copy this cube, Control D. We can just get rid of these. Rename this to Throwable. Sure, why not? Let's move it over here. Let's go ahead and delete what we have in here. Remove component. So all we need to do is hit add component, type in VRC, pickup. Alright, now let's look at some of these a little bit. We do want it to be pickupable. It's pickupable within a proximity of 2 meters. The text when you hover over it is use. How fast we want to throw it. And that's really all we need to know. If you are interested in what those other features are, you can go to the documentation and just kind of look at these, or you can pause it and read them here. So we added the component, we got our cube, let's test it out. So here we are in game. Here's our object. And voila! Oh, it is. Is that it? Yeah, here it is. Alright, so let's edit some of those values. Let's say we really want to make this thing throwable. Let's go to our throwable and set this to there. And we're going to allow theft. So if we had 2 players, they could steal it out of each other's hands, that kind of thing. And this is for if they want to throw it, how hard they actually have to swing. Otherwise, they just kind of place it down somewhere else. So let's test the new velocity. Back in game, here's our cube. And that thing is gone. Really gone. So yeah, that is how we make an object throwable and adjust those values according to what we'd like it to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I believe that's it for this one. Let me know if you guys had any issues in the comments below. If everything worked for you, leave a like or a comment saying it helped. I appreciate it, and hope everyone has a great day.